Fireaway manufactures aerosol fire suppression systems. We've been in business since 2005, and the demand for our product has been steadily growing ever since our inception.
Fireaway is a manufacturer and distributor of an aerosol-based fire suppression product. Our devices, once actuated, will put out a fire by mixing with the chemical reaction of that fire.
Our revenue has grown tremendously, and to keep up with the productivity, we have to, instead of doing manually, we need to invest in more automation. So we're looking at better automation ideas to streamline our process.
Previously, we were relying on a lathe and a potter's wheel to polish our units.
That was taking anywhere from a minute to 10 minutes for each device.
The design of the Randbright has allowed us to have more of a hands-off approach to our polishing. We're able to set it in the machine takes care of all the polishing for us without actually having to get operators' hands involved in it.
It's a smaller footprint, and it's giving us a consistent polished finish.
I learned about the Randbright machine from Mike Brown, our maintenance director, and we ran the numbers to determine how much time could we save versus how much it cost to invest in the machine. We initially thought the return on that investment would be about 2 years, but it's ended up being closer to 1, and that they've worked out even better than we initially hoped.
I was looking for centerless polishing machines in my region. It was important to me to have a manufacturing partner that could help me manage replacement parts. With having multiple machines in the facility and as technology advances, sometimes it's harder to keep up with certain machines as the technology grows.
Having a manufacturer locally that can help us get replacement parts quickly is certainly important to Fireaway.
I can get to them with my questions and they get back to me usually within the same service day, which eliminates a lot of our downtime, and they've been very helpful with questions and repairs.
Prior to purchasing the Randbright machine, our machines were purchased through Europe, and it took a long time just to get the connection there and just to talk to someone who's fluent in English. Here locally, we don't have any downtime.
We need to keep our machines up and running. That is how we produce our products, certainly how we generate revenue and such. So having that available locally, close, here in Minnesota, is extremely important to us.
The team at Randbright has been amazing to work with. Anytime that I've reached out with questions or concerns, they've been able to respond very quickly, and even though I've given them very vague descriptions of any issues or concerns I have, they've known what I've been talking about every time and been able to get back to me very promptly.
I would tell anybody who's in the manufacturing business and needs to look at equipment to do polishing or other types of assembly processes, yeah, the Randbright team has certainly done exactly what we've looked for. The machines have lived up to their expectations, in fact exceeded the expectations.
Working with Randbright has been very effective for improving our product overall, and their design and sales team have been wonderful in helping us achieve our goals.